Hello and welcome back everybody. If you want to clear your RAM on your Android device, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by going ahead and clearing all of the recent app from the recent app menu. So if you have opened any of the app, you can just go ahead and drag it from like this. And in the recent app, if there are any app, you can just go ahead and tap on this close all option or clear all button or swipe up on individual app cards to close them. And once you do, it should kind of refresh the system and clear your RAM on your Android. Apart from that, you can use your device's care settings. Go to settings for that, open it up. And once you open up your settings, you can go to battery and device care section, which is under this section right here, battery and device care. Tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you can just go ahead and tap on memory. And from memory, here you just need to go ahead and see a summary of your RAM uses and available memory. And you can just go ahead and tap on clean now button to clear the RAM being used by the background application. You can wait for this cleanup process to be completed. It may take just a few seconds for that to happen. Once it is done, you can close this up, and another effective way is just to restart your device. Long press on your power button for that, and once you do so, a menu appears. Look out for the restart option and tap on it, and that should clear out all the temporary data and resolve the memory related issues. So just go ahead and do so. Also, you can install the unused application. So if there are any application, for example this right here, long press on it, look out for the install option and tap on it. After that, you can just go ahead and confirm it, click on OK, and that should install the application for yourself. You can also filter your apps by size, users to find resources, heavy applications to remove. And that's it. You can try out this following process if you'd like to clear your RAM on your Android device. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.